Carl. I hate you, Dr. Carl. Are you okay? I hate you, recording. I hasn't wanted 91. Carl, are you okay? I don't feel so good. Sorry, Vincent. Sorry, Carl. What are you eating? I ate the last half of 2 weeks on the cheeseburger and fries and Sprite. You're not as fries and a cheeseburger and fries. What are you eating? Okay, fine, drinking. You're not a drinking. You're not having a fries and a further. You're not a fad. I would see for you. Okay, fine. I'm good at it.